Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if you could reverse the visible signs of aging in just a few weeks? Well, Neutrogena claims to have a solution that's as effective as it is accessible. Let's talk about their Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer, which also includes a trial size of the Hydro Boost Facial Cleanser. This product promises to reverse the look of aging with a combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid in a fragrance-free formula. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer isn't just another anti-aging cream. It comes with the powerful accelerated retinol complex designed to target fine lines and wrinkles. If you've tried retinol before, you know how important it is to use a formulation that minimizes irritation while still being effective. This one does just that. The formula is specially crafted to reduce irritation, but still provide the benefits that retinol is famous for, rejuvenating and smoothing the skin. One of the standout ingredients here is hyaluronic acid, which helps to replenish moisture. As you age, skin tends to lose moisture, making it look more dull and uneven. Hyaluronic acid combats this by adding plumping hydration, which leaves the skin looking dewy and fresh. It's a great pairing with retinol, as it helps balance out the dryness that some people experience when using retinol-based products. I've been using this moisturizer for the past couple of weeks, applying it both in the morning and at night. The texture is light, almost gel-like, and it absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky or greasy residue. I love how it feels on my skin, hydrating yet non-oily, which is key for me since I have combination skin. I didn't experience any irritation, redness, or peeling, which can sometimes happen with retinol creams. So far, I've noticed that my skin feels softer and some of the fine lines around my eyes look a little less prominent. Now, the Hydro Boost Facial Cleanser that comes with this set is a nice addition. It's a lightweight, fragrance-free formula that gently removes dirt and makeup without stripping the skin's moisture. It pairs well with the moisturizer, creating a complete, gentle routine for dry or sensitive skin. But let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the formula is well balanced for those who are wary of retinol-induced irritation. The combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid addresses multiple concerns: wrinkles, skin texture, and hydration. It's also fragrance-free, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive skin or fragrance allergies. On the downside, the product isn't the fastest working solution you might expect. While Neutrogena claims that it works within a week to improve fine lines and up to 4 weeks for deeper wrinkles, some may not see noticeable results that quickly. Additionally, for those with oily skin, the added hydration from the hyaluronic acid might feel a bit heavy, especially in the warmer months. Let's talk value. At around $20 for the 1.7-ounce jar, this product is priced fairly for a retinol-based moisturizer. Given that retinol creams are often much more expensive, Neutrogena offers a good middle ground. But if you're used to luxury skincare, you might not see this as the best option in terms of prestige or premium formulation. Comparing this to other retinol-based moisturizers in the market, Neutrogena holds its own by being affordable and accessible. Products from brands like Olay or Rossi also offer retinol creams, but at a slightly higher price point, with some containing additional ingredients like peptides. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The jar is sturdy and keeps the product secure, though it might not feel as luxurious as some of the high-end brands. The shelf life should be fine, and since you're using a small amount per application, the product will likely last for a few months. As for customer support, Neutrogena has a solid reputation for addressing concerns and being responsive, although I haven't had to reach out for any issues with this product. But based on my experience with their customer service in the past, I trust that they'd be quick to resolve any issues that might arise. Looking for alternatives? If you're on a tighter budget, the Rossi Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream might be a good option. It's slightly more expensive, but delivers similar results. For a more luxurious experience, I'd recommend the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum, though that one doesn't have retinol. So does this product live up to its claims? Yes, for the most part. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer is an excellent choice for those new to retinol or those who want an effective, affordable solution for fine lines and wrinkles. If you have dry skin or want a product that hydrates while fighting signs of aging, this is a good fit. If this review has been helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. Your support helps us continue bringing honest reviews to help you make the best beauty decisions. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.